Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have coordinates ready. Now open Google Earth and focus on the search box. Type or paste the latitude then longitude separated by a comma, for example 37. 7,749 minus 122, 4,194. Make sure you use decimal degrees or convert DMS first. Once done, press Enter or click Search to jump to the location. You're starting the actual lookup now, so don't adjust the view yet. Let Earth load the imagery before proceeding to refine the view in the next step. Once Earth centers the pin, use the zoom controls or your mouse wheel to reach the right scale. Zoom out for region context and in for details. Make sure to toggle between 2D and 3D or tilt and rotate to inspect buildings and terrain. This helps verify the exact spot. If your coordinates were in DMS, convert them now to decimal if needed. You can also re-enter in DMS format. Make adjustments until landmarks and roads line up with the coordinates. To finish, save the location. Right-click the place mark and choose Save or Add it to My Places for later. Use the ruler tool to measure distances or bearings to nearby features. This confirms accuracy. If the pin lands in the wrong hemisphere or ocean, first check the sign, +/-. Ensure you entered latitude before longitude and verify decimal versus DMS formatting. If issues persist, re-enter the coordinates carefully and reload imagery. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.